and planting flowers. And these are facts, Mr. Speaker, Madam Speaker. Therefore, let us not hide behind, oh, people, this one is from my county, the CS belongs to my coalition. They must deliver. And none other than President William Ruto has said every public officer he has appointed to office must deliver services to the people of Kenya. And if you are holding public office to serve private interests above public interest, count your days. And let me speak to those engineers in Kenya. Start counting your days if you do not shape up. You will either shape up or ship out. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
The Honorable Member for Marakwet, Honorable Bowen. Bowen can go.
Thank you, Honorable Chair, for giving me this opportunity to support a petition by Honorable Barry Twalib. Madam Chair, the petition by Honorable Barry Twalib is very, very important. And Madam Chair, I want to say the petition by Honorable Twalib is just one of many other issues of similar nature, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, the Land Commission, Madam Speaker, they need to up their game.